Metaverse, which means a universe beyond, has taken the crypto market by storm. The metaverse can be described as a digital domain that allows users to interact, play games, socialize, and conduct business with other users. It can be difficult to locate the best metaverse coins to invest in 2022, so here are some metaverse crypto coins that you should consider buying. Number 5. Enjin, ENJ. Market cap $1.5 billion. Enjin is all about NFTs, and NFTs are the building blocks of the metaverse. Its platform lets people create, store, list, and trade NFTs all in one place. As a result, it has various use cases. For example, gamers could transfer assets from one game to another. Musicians or artists might find new to monetize their music. Many NFTs use the Ethereum blockchain, which is the most established smart contract crypto, but then struggles with high gas fees. It can cost up to $100 in fees to make a transaction on Ethereum, which could be prohibitively expensive for some. As a result, many projects are moving to newer networks with lower fees. Enjin is developing its own NFT-focused blockchain called Efinity, EFI, which could be a game changer for Enjin. Number 4. Decentraland, Mana. Market cap $4.7 billion. Decentraland is a decentralized virtual reality platform powered by the Ethereum blockchain. Within the Decentraland platform, users can create, experience, and monetize their content and applications. Mana is a native cryptocurrency on Decentraland. Decentraland focuses on buying of lands, like in real estate. Users can own land and interact with other users. Mana can be used to buy parcels of land, avatars, and wearables like clothing and accessories. Sotheby's, the broker of luxury goods and art, bought a plot of land on Decentraland and used it to create a replica of their London offices. This goes to show that even big companies are eyeing metaverse projects. Since Decentraland is a decentralized autonomous organization, DAO, owning Mana also gives you the ability to vote on certain aspects of the game, like policy updates and NFT auctions. This video is sponsored by BlockFi. BlockFi is an exchange where you can trade cryptocurrency. Apart from earning interest on your crypto, you can take out loans as well. Moreover, it allows you to earn 8% annually on your crypto reserves, which is 8 times the best savings account out there. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up now by clicking the link in the description. Okay, let's continue with our video. Number 3. Sandbox, Sand. Market cap $3.3 billion. The Sandbox team is building a unique virtual world where players can build, own, and monetize their gaming experiences using Sand, the main utility token of the platform. With a VR aspect, this project is bringing to reality the vision of the metaverse. It's essentially a game, but is heavily based on the creation and trade of NFTs. Players can create NFTs using the Sand metaverse tokens. Just like Decentraland, it is also powered by the Ethereum blockchain. Another promising factor is that it has a limited coin supply of 3 billion tokens, of which over 680 million are in use. At the start of November, Sandbox completed a $93 million fundraising led by SoftBank, which it said will help the platform scale and grow as a prime entertainment destination. Several big names invested in the project, including Galaxy Interactive, Polygon Studios, and Kingsway Capital. Sandbox has partnership with a number of high-profile brands, such as Snoop Dogg, who developed his own virtual mansion in Sandbox, and The Walking Dead, which created an in-game experience for players to discover. Number 2. Axie Infinity, AXS. Market cap $3.2 billion. Axie Infinity is a game universe filled with fascinating creatures, Axies, that players can collect as pets. Players aim to battle, breed, collect, raise, and build kingdoms for their Axies. The local currency is the AXS token in this metaverse game, which has fared relatively well in the last year. Even though it is based on the idea of the metaverse, there's no inclusion of VR so far. But it is based on the ideals of blockchain and crypto, which is giving control to the public. The Axie Infinity game features characters or Axies, and these axes are NFTs, which gamers can buy and trade. For instance, they can breed new axes by combining two axes. There's also virtual real estate in the Axie Infinity Metaverse, which could bring on more investors who aren't just gamers, which is why Axie Infinity is founded by 11 investors. 500 Startups Vietnam and Collaborative Fund are the most recent investors. Number 1. Ether, ETH. Market cap $311 billion. Ethereum is a technology that's home to digital money, global payments, NFTs, and applications. It's a cryptocurrency that powers a blockchain platform, Ethereum. The community has built a booming digital economy, bold new ways for creators to earn online, and so much more. It's open to everyone, wherever you are in the world. All you need is the internet. Ether is actually the most commonly used cryptocurrency for digital land purchases. And since Ether is one of the most popular cryptocurrencies, it can be bought across almost all crypto exchanges, such as Coinbase. Because Ether isn't specific to any metaverse world, it can be used to make purchases directly across the most popular platforms, including Decentraland and the Sandbox. Metaverse projects are appearing everywhere, but some show real potential and stand above the crowd. The metaverse concept is deeply rooted in blockchain and crypto, which is why it can be a good idea to invest in some of these projects. However, as with any other investment, don't invest all your money on just one kind of metaverse coin. It's best to diversify and, more importantly, buy coins you think have potential. That's all we have for you today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave us a like and hit the big bold red subscribe button to subscribe to our channel. Till next time.